What happens to the one you're in if you're always racing to the next moment? Almost every single day from the time we wake up, some of us tend to do things rapidly. And if you're a working person like me, who have high demand tasks, pausing can be very challenging. Working is part of our daily life. It has an essential meaning. We work so that we can live. Work can cover a huge part of our time, and more often than not, we are faced with a lot of it in an urgent basis. We can easily get caught up in the day-to-day of work, especially if we have deadlines to meet. Personally, when I feel tired, I always take a break in between, like making a tea, just to feel refreshed and then go back to complete the task. Besides my office work, I also have to do my household chores. Some people hate it, but not me. I like it because I can freely imagine and think of anything, and even sing while cleaning or folding clothes. Whatever kind of work we have at hand, office work, household chores, or even a school project, we have to place a value on the work that we do. Even though sometimes it can be exhausting, work becomes more meaningful when it makes contribution to our own lives and to the lives of others. We can use its value as a driving force to work. But generally, there is more to life than work, and that is why we need to rest. We need to slow down. The next day, I got up early in the morning to visit the local park. Mornings are the best time of the day to visit the park because it is not crowded and your soul can connect with nature as much as you want. It is also a great time to watch the sunrise. Most of us who have to leave our homes early in the morning for work missed the beauty of the sunrise. Watching sunrise is beneficial as it would naturally elevate our mood. This part of the city is one of my favorite places because it is silent and all you can hear are chirping birds. Do you know that according to an article, listening to bird sounds has been found to boost productivity and puts people in a more relaxed state? Birds are one of the most beautiful and wonderful creatures of the world. Walking in the park is a way of interacting with nature. Nature helps us overcome tiredness. It gives us a break and allowing us to replenish the energy we have lost. Spending time in natural green environment has been linked to stress relief. Accessing more green spaces in the community helps decrease anxiety or depression while improving creativity and focus. The color around us influences not only our emotions but also our memories. Other than the park, going to the beach has endless benefits as well. For example, the sound of the ocean waves helps us to get to a state of calmness due to its frequency. The sound of the waves relaxes the mind and body. The beach offers a sense of appreciation for nature's beauty, just like these little crabs along the seashore. I love watching them moving and hiding in the sun. Walking on the beach is like giving your feet a free massage too. Overall, spending time in nature can help with mental health. Take a look around you whenever you have time. Always remember to slow down in life. It is an art that we need to learn and master. Take a deep breath and truly, truly live. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Lots of love. Shielo.